Hi guys, this is your Wonder Grace. So we are currently heading to the airport right now from Dubai to Manila, and then come join me to fly with business class with Philippine Airlines. Let's go! Tayo sa departure area ng Dubai. So, let's go inside. Hi guys, so mag-check-in muna tayo. Dito tayo sa area 3. Let's go. So, ayan na guys, may boarding pass na tayo. Kaso delayed yung plane natin guys, pero it's okay. Let's go. Hey guys. Outfit check. Hi guys, so ayun na nga, after 4 hours of delay, andito na tayo sa departure. So pa-boarding na ako guys. Let's go! Samahan niyo ako mag-boarding dito sa PAL. Ito na guys, papunta na tayo ngayon. Let's go home to the Philippines. Come join me guys. Let's go! I'm so excited actually. Tara na guys. Hello.
Hi. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome
Hello.
aboard. What's 2K? Welcome to business class.
All right. Thank you.
Welcome aboard. 180.
Ito guys, ganyan yung mga seat dito. So sa 2K tayo. So dito. This is my chair. Let's go. Ayan guys, kato yung sa business class na upuan. So ayan. Hi guys, so as you can see, napakalaki ng chair dito sa business class at napaka-comfy, as in super worth it talaga. Tapos dito sa left side guys, makikita nyo na yung mga control panels dyan sa sa chair. So ayan, pwede nyo siyang i-recline para mas relax kayo. And then, makikita nyo rin dito guys na merong in-flight na wifi tsaka mga plug. So pwede kayo mag-charge. So after that guys, check naman natin tong bag na nakalagay sa top ng seat natin. So let's go. So ayan, ganyan siya kalaki guys. So ito yung sleepers nila. Ayan, pre-size naman siya guys, kaya kasya naman sa mga paa natin. And then yan yung complementary na in-flight bag nila for toiletries. So ipapakita ko sa inyo later on kung ano mga laman yan. So, ayan. Dito tayo sa loob ng bag na to. It looks so interesting. So, tara. Buksan na natin, guys. Ayan. Medyo struggle pa ang ating new girl. De, charot. So, ayan na. May ganyang paper. Tapos, ayan. Merong in-flight na blanket para comfy kayo dun sa chair nyo habang nasa flight kayo. Tapos, ayan, guys. Yan yung mat para dun sa chair nyo. So, ito naman yung legroom, guys. So, as you can see, napaka-spacious, diba? So, antay-ngalay talaga siya. Talagang marerelax yung paa nyo habang nasa flight kayo. So, ayan. Tapos, ito yung pull-out na table para pag kumakain kayo, yan, mas comfy, mas malaki. So, makakain kayo na mas maayos. Palit na nga kagad ako ng sleepers, guys, at napaka-comfy. On arrival, mag-o-offer kagad yung FA ng complimentary drinks sa inyo. So, ayan guys, mapera na kagad tayo ng mango juice. Cheers! Thank you. Okay, thank you. And before take up guys, ayan, makikita nyo na meron tayong menu dito. So, makikita natin kung ano yung mga isa-serve nilang foods. Meron naman silang food selections dyan. And apart from that, meron din silang mga selections ng mga liquors. So, during flight guys, pwede kayo mamili ng mga chosen na liquors nyo. Pero may mga fresh juice dents and all. Ayan guys, so namimili na ako kung anong kakainin ko for dinner. So, ang napili ko dyan is yung chicken ala kib. Pero ang sarap niya, in fairness naman. So, ayan guys. Binigyan nila ako ng 2 beverages and then meron silang appetizer but I skipped that part. So, isa-serve na nila sa akin yung main course ko which is the chicken ala kib. So, ayan. As you can see, binigay sa akin ng FA agad yung food. So, I'm preparing to eat and then meron pa tayong nuts dyan. So, let's go guys. Let's enjoy our meal. Ito yung closer look guys ng pagkain. So, ayan. Yan yung chicken ala kib nila. So, may nuts. Tapos, nag-serve din sila ng mango juice and water. So, ayan. Meron tayong set of cutleries. And then, meron din tayong table napkin. So, feel na feel nyo talaga yung pagkain nyo dito sa business class, guys. And then, yung plate na ginamit nila is yung plate talaga na, na ceramic. Ganun. So, hindi nyo talaga mararamdaman na nasa, in-flight kayo during that time. So, ayan. Talaga na-enjoy ko yung pagkain, guys. Kasi talaga masarap siya. In fairness naman. So, ayan. Let's do the math. Let's taste test, guys. Napakasarap ng chicken dyan, guys. As in, napaka-tender. Tapos, sinaserve nila yung pagkain na mainit pa. Kaya talaga masarap siya. Tapos matitikman mo pa rin yung herbs na ginamit nila. As in-note siya dun sa chicken. Perfect. Ito ang closer look guys. So that's the perfect bite. Buti nga nakapag-take ako dyan guys ng video Although medyo dim yung light. So let's enjoy eating. So, ayan guys, yung sinerve nila sa akin dessert. So, ayan yung strawberry na ice cream from Emperor. Napakasarap niyan guys, as in napaka-creamy. Tapos yan yung leche flan. So, after that delicious meals, guys, so, I've decided na ipakita sa inyo kung ano ang laman ng travel kit nila dito sa PAL Business Class. So, ito na nga. It's from L'Occitane. So, this is what it looks like. Meron siyang socks, meron silang toothpaste, merong comb, and then, ayan, mga L'Occitane products. So, papakita ko sa inyo later, guys, kung ano yung closer look para mas makita nyo siya ng maayos. Pero in fairness, ang dami niyang laman na. So, ito na nga. This is how it looks like, guys. So, ayan, ganyan yung bag. So, this is a collaboration of L'Occitane and Philippine Airlines. So, first item, their sheer butter hand cream from L'Occitane. So, ayan, guys, mga travel size siya, pero very useful actually. So, ayan, merong paper from Philippine Airlines and L'Occitane collaboration. Next item is, yan, the Shea Butter Lip Balm. So, ayan, napakaganda niyang gamitin actually. Next, this is the Shea Butter Light Face Cream. So, ayan, meron pa tayo dyan, guys. Wait nyo lang. So, ito naman yung Shea Butter Refreshing Cloth. Ayan, napakabango niyan, guys, as in. So, medyo nag-dim light lang, guys. Sorry, kasi may mga natutulog yan. Ayan, meron silang socks na merong eye mask para pag matutulog kayo, mas comfy kayo. And then, meron ding toothbrush na may toothpaste. Ayan. Tapos, meron din siyang comb para pag mag-aayos kayo, guys. So, that's all. Napakaraming items. So, during flight naman, guys, ganyan naman yung view ko sa labas. So, napakaganda, diba? After mag-sightseeing, guys, I decided na matulog na muna kasi medyo malayo talaga yung flight ko eh. 8 hours flight kasi. Pero after nyan, ayan, bigla na tayong serve pa ng breakfast kasi dalawa yung yung serve ng food nila dito sa business class. Yung dinner, tapos breakfast. So, ayan guys, namimili na ako ng for breakfast. So, ang pinili ko dyan is yung tapa nila kasi I've heard that it's so delicious and it's so tender. So, why not na i-try natin, diba? So, binigyan nila tayo ng hot towel para masanitize muna guys ang ating kamay before tayo kumain. So, ayan guys, preparing na ako for breakfast after my sleep para ma-refresh ang ating mind. Ayan. So, ay ganyan yung breakfast nila guys. Meron munang sinaserve na fruits, bread, at saka yung mga condiments. Tapos ganyan naman yung view ko sa labas guys. Ayan. Napakaganda, diba? Good morning, sunshine. Ito naman yung main course nila guys. So, ayan yung closer look niya. So, yan yung tapa. So, let's eat. But before anything else, of course, we have to pray first. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings. I love you, Lord. after that delicious meal, I can say that my tummy is so full and it's so happy. As in literally na happy tummy. So ayan na nga, binas out na at punta tayong laboratory. Hey guys, so ganito yung laboratory sa business class ng PAL. So ayan, nasa lang mga toiletries. Guys. So pwede nyo gamitin yan. Wash and then mouthwash. So ayan guys, meron kami yes. So ayan na nga guys, nag-announce na yung captain na like within an hour and a half lalapag na tayo sa Manila. So I'm so excited actually and I enjoyed this experience. But before that, I have to experience first their in-flight entertainment system. But on my case guys, wala akong monitor. Pero meron naman silang in-flight wifi. So, ginamit ko na lang yung MacBook ko para ma-access ko yung wifi nila. Ayan yung mga selections ng movies. Updated naman yung Netflix sila in fairness naman. So, may entertain kayo while during flight para hindi kayo maboard. So, ayan guys, makikita nyo na marami kayong pagpipilian. Depende ko ano yung mga gusto nyong panoorin. Meron din mga pang kids. So on my case, ayan, napili ko yung Mustafa guys. And then, yan, habang nanonood, nakikita nyo yung view sa labas na nasa Sea of Clouds tayo. Guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Until next vlog. Bye guys!